In this day and age, millions of papers are published all around the world in different subjects. This creates a huge effort for scientists, which want to dig into a specific subject, since they might want to know where to start. But how can we assist the research preparation process? How can we instantly find out if a paper is of our interest? How might we put forward further research by identifying and recommending similar papers? Introducing the extractor. We created a tool called the extractor, which uses state-of-the-art machine learning tools to upload scientific papers and extracts its key content. On the other hand, we can use our database, which is constantly being updated by the user's uploaded papers, to give paper recommendation based on the keywords wanted by the user. In the extractor tool, we can simply choose one or even multiple papers to upload so that we can get an overview of the chosen papers. The tool will display a general overview of the uploaded paper. This will help the user understand if the given paper is really necessary for their projects or not. The title and authors of the paper will be shown with the file name. Not only will you get a general one-sentence summary of the entire text, but the method also manages to extract selected paragraphs, giving you an impression of the relevant content, such as results and methodology. Another tool finds the 10 most important keywords within the text. Finally, the named entity recognition model reveals the most frequent entities, like places, names, or dates. You can also extract an Excel file containing the results showing you on the website. Now let's move on to our keyword search tool. By entering one or more keywords, the program iterates through our database and spits out suitable papers if there was a match. On the left-hand side, you will see your search history. On the result table, you will find a summary of all the matches found in our database. And once again, you can download your findings as an Excel file. With our methods, we have successfully achieved to extract the key components of scientific publications using artificial intelligence in the form of natural language processing models. These pre-trained models develop a semantic understanding that enables them to summarize text even better than human beings. We hope that our project is just the start of automated intelligent research aid.